What happens when a spoiled, rich kid thinks money can buy him freedom, but ends up learning a lesson he'll never forget? Inside a packed city courthouse, 19-year-old Brandon strolled in wearing a designer suit and a smirk that screamed arrogance. He wasn't just any teen. He was the son of a wealthy businessman, convinced the rules didn't apply to him. Just a week earlier, Brandon had been caught speeding through red lights in his luxury sports car. When the officer handed him a fine, he laughed in the officer's face. "Do you know who my father is? I don't pay fines." Instead of paying, he ignored it, and that's what landed him in court. On the day of the hearing, Brandon walked in with his father's high-priced lawyer. Certain the judge would dismiss everything, he leaned back in his chair, arms crossed, glaring at the courtroom like he owned it. When asked to speak, Brandon rolled his eyes and said, "Fines are for broke people. I'm not paying a cent." The room gasped. Even his lawyer looked uneasy. The prosecutor laid out the evidence, traffic camera footage, police reports, the danger Brandon had posed to innocent lives. But Brandon didn't care. He kept smirking, whispering, "My dad will take care of it." That's when the judge leaned forward, voice steady but firm. "Young man, the law is not a suggestion. It does not bend for wealth or privilege. And today, you will learn that." The verdict? Not only did Brandon have to pay the full fine, but he was also sentenced to 200 hours of community service, cleaning streets, working in shelters, and speaking at schools about reckless driving. The courtroom buzzed with approval as Brandon's smug grin disappeared. Weeks later, photos of him in a neon vest picking up trash under the scorching sun went viral. His arrogance had turned into humiliation, and the judge's final words echoed everywhere. In this courtroom, everyone is equal under the law. Justice doesn't care about your money. It cares about the truth. If you believe karma always finds its way, hit that like button, subscribe for more stories where justice gets served, and share this video with friends who love seeing the mighty brought back down to earth.